So here comes the second part of speech, that is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. प्रोनाउन हमारे साथ क्या चीज़ है? These are actually the words जो कि noun को sentence में replace कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? Now the question arises, why is there the need of the pronoun? So pronoun we use for the purpose ताकि repetition of the noun को हम avoid कर सके, ताकि बार बार वो repeat ना हो. Like for example, Sarah is reading in class 8. She is hardworking. So in the first sentence you see we have used the word Sarah, which is a noun, the name of the girl. Okay, while in the second sentence when we are referring to Sarah, the same person, so we used a pronoun ताकि हम repetition of the noun को avoid कर सके. So she is the pronoun in this sentence. Then here comes types of pronoun. The first one is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used as a substitute for a person's name. There are two kinds of personal pronoun. First is subjective pronoun while the other is objective pronoun. Personal pronoun is the very name mentions कि हम इसको person के name की जगह जो है हम इसको इस्तेमाल कर लेते हैं. And there are two types of this. The first one is subjective pronoun. So subjective pronouns हमारे साथ कौन से होते हैं? Is the very name mentions जो कि sentence में is a subject use होते हैं. And there are total 7 pronouns that can be used as a subjective pronoun, that is he, she, it, I, we, you and they. On the other way we do have objective pronoun. As the very name mentions कि ये pronoun हमारे साथ sentence में as an object हम इसको use कर लेते हैं. And the objective form of the pronouns are him, her, it, me, us, you and them. The second type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun is the very name mentions जो कि ownership of the noun को show करते हैं, ठीक है? It actually shows the ownership. Then here is like we do have 7 pronouns in total. So इसके जो possessive form है that is also 7. My, our, your, his, her, its and their. For example, we can say like the house in the corner is ours. The house in the corner is ours. Now in this sentence you see कि the fact is कि ours जो है it is used as in ownership के मतलब ये जो घर है ये हमारा है, so it shows ownership. Then here comes the third type of pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. So indefinite pronoun is the very name mentions कि हमारे साथ वो pronouns हैं जिसको हम like use करते हैं but it do not mention or specify a pronoun के मतलब किसी particular noun की तरफ ये इशारा नहीं करते. It is some type like we can say in general, like for example I can say like this, all of you can attend the seminar. All of you can attend the seminar. Now you see all is used over here, so it actually do not refer to any of the particular person. Or I can say I like cake, I will have some please. Okay, I like cake. So cake over here is a noun, and the another sentence I say I will have some. Okay, so some यहाँ पर हमारे साथ क्या है? Indifferent pronoun है जो कि cake को refer. Intensive pronouns. So intensive pronouns emphasize or intensify nouns and pronouns. Typically we find them after the noun they are intensifying. These pronouns typically end and self or selves. As the very name mentions, intensify or emphasize, ठीक है? मतलब किसी चीज़ पर जो है वो जोर देना. So the fact over here के मतलब you are intensify a noun or pronoun through this intensive pronoun, ठीक है? And mostly जो है we put them after the noun or pronoun जिसको ये emphasize करते हैं, ठीक है? मतलब उसी noun या pronoun के बाद ही आती है जिस पर हमने emphasis देनी होती है. And the intensive pronouns की जो ending होती है it is something like this, self or self से. For example, myself, himself, herself, themselves. Okay, and for example another we can use it in a sentence like this, Sarah herself cooked the meal. Sarah is the noun, okay, and after it we just put this intensive pronoun herself. Okay, so we actually emphasize the noun Sarah के action इसी ने ही लिया है. Then here come demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronoun take the place of a noun that's already been mentioned, and they can be singular or plural. So हमारे साथ as a whole demonstrative pronouns जो हैं these are 4, and इसमें singular भी हो सकते हैं and plural भी हो सकते हैं. some are used for the near distance while others are used for the far distance. ठीक है, so these are this and these. This is singular, these plural. ठीक है, and this and these जो हैं these are used for the near distance things, while we have that and those. So that and those, these are the two demonstrative pronoun जो कि far distance things के लिए यूज़ होते हैं, जो मतलब दूर के फासले पर हों. and another thing is कि that हमारे साथ singular है while those इसका plural है. So for example, these are ugly. These are ugly. It means कि मतलब you are referring to some things जो कि plural हैं and these are at the near distance. ठीक है, those are lovely. Those are lovely at a far distance and एक से ज़्यादा हैं. So these are demonstrative pronouns. Then interrogative pronoun is the very name mentions कि मतलब it actually used for posing a question. Interrogative pronoun do just what they say. They work in sentences that are posing a question. मतलब it is actually used for the purpose ताकि हम इसके through जो है question कर सकें. and mostly जितने भी हमारे साथ WH questions जो हम बनाते हैं it is through interrogative pronoun. Like for example, if I say which is your book, which is your book, what is your name. So which and what हमारे साथ क्या है, these are interrogative pronoun.